Hello and welcome to another I Want to Excel Today video tutorial. My name is John and I will be your guide through this crazy world that is Excel. Today we're going to go over templates, both the using of templates and also the saving as a template feature in Excel. Both are extremely useful and widely underused. Really an easy way to impress your boss or to put together a very good spreadsheet very quickly is to use other people's work, something that's already done professionally by Microsoft and other users out on the web. What we're going to do is actually just use the templates that are in your spreadsheet already, or creating a template of your own. Both can be hugely useful. Alright, so to start, let's go over to let's go ahead and take this as an example. How many people have saved a template or a master copy of a spreadsheet in one of their folders on a network, and then someone else has gone into that folder and altered it or saved over the top of your master copy, so now you have to go in and take out some inputted information. Alright, so just for an example, what I did is I went ahead and created an I Want to Excel Today folder and placed a master copy of an invoice in there. Alright, let's open that up. Alright, so this is just something that I used as a master copy. Actually, let me back up. Let's take a look at that again. Alright, so invoice master copy. Just by putting master copy on there, it actually doesn't protect that spreadsheet at all. Somebody could go in and alter formulas on purpose or by mistake. They could type over any information that you have, and then if you were doing something, if you were in a hurry to get this invoice out, you might not have the time to thoroughly go over and double check all the information in there. Perhaps the invoice is now wrong, or you're sending it out for the wrong client, or somebody typed in their name instead of yours, and then it just looks very unprofessional. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and basically what'll happen is I could change this to let's see, Jason Reed. Hit save, and now all of a sudden my master copy is now Jason Reed's master copy, and if I don't catch that, it's gonna make me look pretty bad. Alright, so what we can do, let's go ahead and change that back to me because that's what I want. We're gonna go up to File, back up. We're gonna go up to File, right up here at the top, click on that, go down to Save As. Most people are familiar with Save As. Okay, and so we're just kind of picking where we want to save it. I'm going to save it in this current folder, I suppose. It's actually not going to go there, so it doesn't really matter. But it says invoice master copy. Let's just change that to invoice I Want to Excel Today. Alright, and down here where it says Excel Workbook, we don't want to save it as an Excel workbook. What we want to do is save it as an Excel template. So you can see right here. Now if there are macros in it, obviously you can save it as a macro enabled template or just a regular template. There are no macros in this one. It's just a simple spreadsheet. Excel as a template. So click on that and hit save. Alright, so now Alright, so now that document, that spreadsheet that I had in my folder, people can mess with it all they want. Doesn't matter. I could go ahead and delete it. Wouldn't matter. What we're gonna do to retrieve our templates now, we're gonna go to File, gonna go to New, because we're trying to pull up something new. Now these are all the templates that Microsoft already has. We'll cover that in a second. We're gonna go to our personal ones. So this is a test template I put together. It's actually blank. This one is the one that we just saved. Oh, the template's open. My bad. Let's X out of it. Alright, so go to File, Open. Oh, I'm sorry. File, New. Alright, so we'll go to File, then New. Go to Personal. And so we have these two templates here. This is the one we just saved, Invoice I Want to Excel Today. Double click on that. And now this is a saved document just like that. It's a template. No one can go in there and change that for you. That's your template. You would have to go in there and actively try to save over the top of that. Now I can change all this. I can put in, let's just put in today's date. Today is, what is today? Today is the 11th, I believe. Alright, so now we hit save. It's going to ask me basically to save as at this point because you can't save over the top of the template. Alright, so we'll save as. Let's go. We're going to put it on my computer. Let's put it here in this folder. Alright, now you'll see it defaults to Excel workbook. Now it's going to save it right there next to that invoice master copy that we had before. Alright, so let's X out of this. Minimize that, X out of that. Where are we at? Here we are. Just drag that out here. A little easier to find. Alright, so we have the invoice master copy. Now this is the one that I just saved over. You'll see it put in today's date. And there we have it. Done. Simple. Easy. Alright. So using templates that are already in place. Basically the same thing. Back up. Basically the same thing. We're going to go to File. And we're going to go to New. Now right here it says Featured. That's the tab that we're on, Featured. There's Personal, we were on, and now Featured. Alright, so these are the templates that basically are being showcased. Now they also put your recent ones in there. So this is the one we were just working on. But there's everything from weight loss to college budgets to wedding planner, event planning and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's very, very useful. And these are just the featured ones. You can find more. You can search for more. And like I said, they're already very well put together, and they're done by Microsoft, by professionals. So that's definitely something that I would encourage people to take advantage of. All right, and that's going to conclude today's lesson. I hope you learned something from it. And as always, make it a great day.